Everybody's in. Craig out to him.
Adam, you need to clean your windshield.
Craig was a 360.
Have you seen this, Jim?
No, no.
That is insane.
Adam with a 368 that time.
Can you see a truck in front of Adam?
Yeah.
Billy with a 379, that's a good lap. 378 for Craig, 38 over Adam, 39 for Kevin, 47 for Mike.
Isn't that Mike?
Adam, check it out, Mike, good
Mike
job,
did
good
very
job.
fast, Mike. Now Mike's
Craig
bragging.
is moving. Holy mackerel. Craig is trying to work his way back up to the field. He's got Adam to get by and then Billy.
Put one of these on a slash mod.
Quickly, we're 11. 10 to go now. 10 to go, drivers.
You know,
Craig,
surprisingly
Billy, Adam,
enough,
Kevin, Mike.
the front suspension doesn't look like it moves much.
Watch, you can see it.
Oh, yeah. Oh!
Like that? See that?
What?
Three to go, drivers. 2 to go now. Craig on a 31.55. Adam on Kevin was moved to the 2 spot.
Run, Kevin, run!
Oh!
All right, Craig, you're done. Everybody's done. Everybody's done. Craig with a 31.55 with a 4. Up next, first heat of slash mod. Ethan and James, because Mike O is not here. So Ethan and James, you guys are up next. Ethan and James, you guys are up next.